Now, for those of you who want to boost, or I should say supplement your diet with essential nutrients, you might have heard that at Human Health we put together an immune care pack of some key things. In fact, here's one now. So this is the Human Health Immune Care Pack we put together. It's got a few key things that we believe are essentials that personally we've been using for years here and we recommend to our clients. Now there's some things that in Europe and these areas of latitude we are basically deficient in. So first thing, vitamin D. The readily accessible form of this is D3. Now I would recommend combining that with K2 as well. You know, a lot of nutrients and supplements, vitamins that people take don't have enough vitamin D in. So this product that we use here, that we recommend, gives you at least 5,000 international units a day, that you can even take up to 10 as an adult. We do have some children's ones available too. This is an adult pack. Okay, so that's fantastic for you. The reason for K2 with the vitamin D is that the D3 doesn't just go into the blood system, it also gets taken to your bone to be stored and to help bone function and growth too. Probiotics. You have many different types of good and bad bacteria in your gut that work for you every day, and they need to be in balance. A lot of the foods that we have, a lot of the emotional stress that we experience, and things like alcohol and tasty foods, I won't say bad foods, can knock out some of those flora, which really can throw off your microbiome, which is an essential defense mechanism all throughout your skin and throughout your intestinal system, that, you know, is part of your immune system to help you in times where you might be picking up bacteria or viruses or anything else. Okay, next up, something called Nature's Living Superfood. This is a bunch of freeze-dried organic juices and plant compounds, okay, which are things like barley grass, wheatgrass, algae, which you would never normally have in your daily life. And so whilst we all try and have 5 a day, a lot of people don't. If you were to have a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of this in the morning and some water, it tastes like drinking grass, so it's not the nicest, but you have it quickly. And it's a great way of getting the equivalent of about 500 grams of veg, particularly green veg, in your diet. It's packed full of pre and probiotics too. Next up, vitamin C. As we all know, vitamin C is really good. You might have been seeing some studies on the internet being shown how vitamin C intravenously into the blood system was used in China when COVID-19 kicked off. Now, you know, 1 to 2 grams of vitamin C a day is a great way to, on top of your diet, through getting it through a wide range of fresh fruit and vegetables as well, just to make sure that you've got a constant good supply for your nervous system, your immune system, and your cells to uptake and utilize. What else have we got in here? Everyone's washing their hands loads. So we've got here a bee balm. This is, both of these next two products are locally made in Jersey, completely organic and raw. Here, this has in it beeswax, propolis, honey, pollen, and olive oil. So those of you who are allergic to bees, don't use these next two products. Don't buy this pack from us or anywhere else. Stick to the other products. Let us know if you'd like the other ones and we can help you out with that. This is really nutrifying for your skin. As I said, your skin's an essential part of your microbiome to protect you from invaders. Okay, it's your biggest organ as well. And when you're washing your hands all the time, you're destroying that microbiome and you're letting way for invaders to make their way into your body, into your blood system, and to create unnecessary immune attack. That's a great way of re-nutrifying the cells in your skin. Last up, we have propolis. Proper what? Most people are saying, oh, what is propolis? I haven't heard of it. Propolis is the medicinal component from a substance created by bees used in their hives to both protect them and to help them build and store honey. Okay, propolis has an amazing medicinal component. I could talk about it for ages. The essential thing you need to know is there's an essential thing called a flavonoid within propolis, which has been very well researched to show that it is antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, and immunomodulating, which means it helps your immune system modulate itself. Research has shown that this particular flavonoid that is within propolis, it decreases the amount of infectivity of viruses that are in the body, and that was also shown with a coronavirus, not COVID-19, just a coronavirus they used in the study. It decreased the infectivity, and it also decreased the replicability, I can't really talk or say that word, but the replication of the virus too. You can use this just by dropping a couple of drops in your tongue. We have instructions on it here. You can use it in foods too. They're all fantastic key essential nutrients that you can take on top of a healthy diet to help yourself out through these times, and to be honest, all year round as well. I hope that's been helpful. Any other questions, let us know, and look after your nutrition.